Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unsubscribe from Maurices emails. If you don't have a Maurices account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. On the pop-up window, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Communication Preferences. To unsubscribe, uncheck the box beside Yes, I want email marketing. After that, click on the Save button. And now you'll no longer receive promotional emails unless you turn it on again. That's how you unsubscribe from Maurices emails. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.